If you want to reset your phone to factory settings before you sell it, or if you want to reset the phone that you bought so it's totally clean, it's all yours, or whatever reason you have for resetting your phone, this is how you do it. The first thing you want to do, if it's an existing phone that you own, I'd recommend you go into the settings, you tap on your iCloud or your Apple account, you tap on iCloud, and then scroll down, tap on iCloud Backup, and then tap on Backup Now to back up everything on your phone. If you want to have a new phone in the future, or you bought a new one recently, you can restore this backup onto your new phone so all your data and everything is there already. Makes your life a whole lot easier. If this is not the case, don't worry about this. You can just go straight to the resetting process, which starts on the main settings screen here. Scroll down to General. Scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. This gives you a list of everything it's going to erase. It's going to erase this many gigabytes of apps and data. It's going to erase the Apple account. That doesn't mean it's actually going to erase the account. It's just going to remove it from the phone. It's going to remove the Find My on your phone so your phone can't be tracked by anyone in the future. And it's going to remove one item in the wallet. Tap on Continue, you enter your passcode or use your Face ID, and then your phone wipes itself clean. And when it's done, it's going to be brand new, like from the factory. And if you're doing this because you want to find more storage space on your phone, maybe there's an easier way. Check out this video right here that shows you how to empty the trash cans on your phone. Some viewers report gaining up to 10 gigabytes of space by doing this, so check out that video next. If you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.